Let me paint you a picture. You walk into your restaurant before service. Behind the counter there's a big bulky POS terminal, bolted down, cabled up, running software you've had for years. Every single month, whether you've had a great service or a terrible one, that terminal is taking money from you. Hardware fees, maintenance contracts, processing commissions on every transaction, 2 maybe 3% of every sale. On $80,000 a month in revenue, that's up to $2,400 every single month. Now here's a question nobody asks enough. What if all of that was completely optional? In this video, I'm breaking down the BYOD, Bring Your Own Device Revolution, in restaurant till software. What is this, why it matters, and exactly how operators are using it to eliminate the hardware tax for good. We're covering why legacy terminals are bleeding your margins, the 5 real advantages of switching to BYOD, what to demand from any platform you evaluate, and a side-by-side cost comparison that makes the decision pretty obvious. Stay to the end. I'm going to show you exactly what the numbers look like for a 4-station restaurant, and the difference is significant. Hello everybody, my name is Matthew Coblin. I am the founder CEO of HubPlate, the future of restaurant management POS systems. Let's get into it. What restaurant till software actually means now. The word till is an old hospitality language for the point of sale, where transactions happen, orders are taken, and the shift begins and ends. For decades, the till meant one thing, a physical proprietary terminal, one manufacturer, one software stack, one vendor to call when it breaks at 7 p.m. on a Saturday night. And trust me, it always breaks on a Saturday night. Modern till software has completely broken away from that model. In 2026, your till is software, not hardware. It runs on any iOS or Android device. It syncs to the cloud in real time. It works offline when your internet drops, and it doesn't cost $1,200 per station to set up. The smartphone in your server's pocket, the tablet at your host stand, the iPad behind your bar. Every single one of those is a fully functional POS terminal the moment you install the right software. That's BYOD, Bring Your Own Device, and it's changing how smart operators run their restaurants. Legacy terminals are bleeding your margins. Before we talk about the solution, let's put real numbers on the problem. A typical legacy POS setup for a mid-sized restaurant, 4 stations, kitchen display, payment processing, runs anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 in upfront hardware costs, before you've even served a single customer. Then the ongoing costs kick in, monthly licensing fees, hardware maintenance contracts, and the big one, processing fees. Most legacy systems charge between 1.5 and 3% per transaction. On $80,000 a month in revenue, that processing fee alone runs $1,600 to $2,400 every single month. That's not a software cost. That's a structural margin drain that compounds every single month you stay on the system. And remember, average restaurant net profit margins sit between 3 and 5%. Every fixed cost you eliminate has an outsized impact on what you actually keep, which is exactly why operators who've done this math are making the switch. The 5 real advantages of BYOD till software. So what actually changes when you ditch the legacy terminals? Here are 5 things. Number 1, 0 hardware cost. You stop buying proprietary equipment entirely. Your team's existing devices become your POS terminals. For a new restaurant opening, this eliminates one of the biggest upfront capital costs in your setup. For an existing operator switching systems, it's an immediate and permanent cut to your hardware budget. Number 2, instant scalability. With legacy terminals, adding a station for a busy weekend or a private event means scrambling. With BYOD till software, adding a station means handing someone a device and logging in. That's it. And when it's quiet, you scale straight back down. Number 3, Table-side ordering that actually works. When your till runs on a handheld device, every server is a mobile POS. Orders hit the kitchen display the second they are placed. Payments are processed at the table. The trip to the fixed terminal disappears, and so does the bottleneck it created. No more lines at the terminal for servers to put in orders. More tables turn, fewer errors, better guest experience without adding a single extra person. Number 4, 100% offline resilience. This is the one operators worry about most. What happens when the internet drops? With the right platform, the answer is nothing. You keep taking orders, you keep processing payments, everything syncs automatically when connectivity returns. That's the difference between a true cloud-native platform and a system that just crashes without Wi-Fi. And number 5, flat rate pricing that ends the transaction fee trap forever. Modern BYOD till software runs on a fixed monthly fee per location. Your sales go up, your software cost stays flat. That's money that compounds directly into your margin every single month you run it. What to demand from any platform you evaluate. Not every platform that claims BYOD compatibility actually delivers it properly. When you're evaluating restaurant till software, these are the 5 questions that matter. First, does it run natively on both iOS and Android without proprietary cables or accessories? If it only works on specific hardware generations, that's a red flag. Second, does it sync to your kitchen display in real time across every device simultaneously? Your till and your KDS needs to be one seamless system, not 2 separate products bolted together. Third, does it process payments and take orders offline? Some platforms handle one, but not the other. You need both without exception. Fourth, does it connect directly to your inventory system? Every order placed should automatically adjust your stock levels. Without that integration, your till is just a transaction processor, and that's a massive missed opportunity. And fifth, is the pricing model truly flat rate? Or is the vendor taking a percentage of your revenue? That question alone will tell you everything you need to know about whether a platform is built for operators or built to extract from them. The real cost comparison. Let me show you what this actually looks like side by side for a restaurant running 4 POS stations. Legacy terminal setup. 4 stations at roughly $1,200 each. That's $4,800 in hardware before you open. Monthly licensing, maintenance, and support. Call it $200 a month. Processing fees at 2% on $80,000 a month in sales. That's $1,600 a month in transaction fees alone. Total monthly ongoing cost, roughly $1,800 minimum every month forever. BYOD till software setup. 4 stations on devices you already own, 0 hardware cost. Flat rate software, $99 a month per location. Payment processing through a transparent integrated processor with no additional percentage taken by the POS vendor. And it passes on transaction fees onto the customer. The difference isn't marginal, it's structural, and it's permanent. Every month you stay on a legacy system after seeing those numbers is a choice, and it's an expensive one. So here's where we land. Legacy POS terminals are a hardware tax, upfront cost, monthly licensing, maintenance contracts, and processing commissions that drain your margin every single day they run. BYOD restaurant till software eliminates all of it. 0 hardware costs, instant scalability, table-side ordering, offline resilience, flat rate pricing that never takes a cut of your revenue. The full written breakdown, including everything to look for in a platform and the complete cost comparison, is in our blog. Link is in the description below, completely free. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. We drop new restaurant operator content every week. And if you know an operator still stuck on a legacy system, share this video. It might be the nudge they need. Drop a comment below. What is your biggest complaint about the POS system that you are currently using? I would love to hear it. I read all my comments. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.